So when you're in Bahrain, they actually have very nice infrastructure and a great public transportation system with easy to read maps in multiple languages, including English and Arabic, as well as Hindi. And there are some nice stations located in Muharraq, in Manama, just very simple, but well laid out and nice maps. Like here you can see the maps are laid out nicely. One of the things that these little bus stands along the way, though, these benches are not exactly comfortable to sit on for very long. I mean, like, they're just, I don't know if you quite call them benches, like kind of ledges, more like it. But it's pretty reasonable to take the bus, and they go all over the main island. So we'll go ahead and just draw this to a close. But this is here we are checking out the. We're at this is Khamis Masjid, or Masjid al Khamis. This is the Thursday mosque, and this is the oldest mosque in Bahrain, going back to the 12th and 13th centuries. Very nice minarets that almost resemble cacti at the top. So very nice. Very lovely. And it has a great visitor center. It's a great stopover if you've got a little bit of time and you're in the area.